Imagine a world where you wake up not knowing if your basic rights will be respected. Your freedom to express, to love, to worship, or even just to exist is under constant threat. This is the reality for millions across the globe who do not have the privilege of knowing and exercising their human rights. So, what are human rights?
They are fundamental rights and freedom that every person is entitled to, simply because they are human. They're the pillars of a just and fair society, ensuring that each individual is treated with dignity, equality, and respect.
Because ignorance breeds oppression. Without understanding our rights, we become vulnerable to abuse and exploitation. But when we are aware of our rights, we become empowered.
We can stand up against injustice, demand accountability from those in power, and work towards a more equitable world.
But knowing about human rights isn't just about self-preservation. It's about collective progress. When we uphold the rights of others, we contribute to a society where everyone can thrive. It's about building bridges instead of walls, about fostering empathy and understanding across borders and boundaries.
It's both. It's our duty as global citizens to know, protect, and promote human rights. But it's also enshrined in international law. Governments have a legal obligation to uphold the human rights of their citizens, and we have the right to hold them accountable when they fail to do so.
So let's not take our human rights for granted. Let's educate ourselves and others. Let's advocate for justice, and let's build a world where human rights are not just words on paper, but a lived reality for all.
Your contribution matters.